To enable and use the screen of main mouse wheel in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features and then tap S Pen. Next, tap the gray on off switch next to screen of memos to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. To see how it works, turn off the screen. Remove your S Pen. Now you can write a new note while the screen is off and without you have to unlock your phone first. Here you are provided with some menus. At the top of the screen, tap the color circle icon to change your pen color. As the example, we will set it to yellow. Next, you can tap the pencil icon to change your pen thickness. Next, you can tap the eraser icon to erase what you want to. If you have a long note, you can tap the top or down arrow to scroll up or down the screen. Next, you can tap the pin icon to pin the note on the always on display so you can easily access it through the always on display. As a note, you cannot pin your note to always on display if its clock is set to edge clock. The last one, you can tap save to save your note. Given to the function, you can enable and use this feature to help you easily write a new note without you have to unlock your phone first. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.